Alright, hello everybody. Today we're at the Robo car wash on Missouri Boulevard in Jefferson City, Missouri. Well, the cheapest wash here is $5. Now we'll drive into this older looking bay here. Yeah, this looks like some older equipment. Look up. Now that looks like a really deep trench up there. I guess that's where I'm supposed to stop the car. Undercarriage wash. Jeez. One arm around the car. I don't know if you can see how that's spinning at all. It looks like this whole thing follows on that rail up there. See? Yeah, this is pretty primitive. Alright, hello everybody. I'm just rolling into town here in Jefferson City, Missouri. I had many requests to come and revisit the Robo car wash here on Missouri Boulevard after hearing reports that they got a new and fairly rare Oasis system that was installed, I guess, somewhere around a year ago by the looks of things. So I figured tonight, should be nice lighting with the sun going down. We'll go ahead and check it out and see what this thing is like. Okay, so the place looks like it is, for the most part, totally unchanged on the outside, but I can see the new system even from here. Oh yeah, plus a brand new pay station here too. I know sometimes they have an attendant here, but it does not look like they have one working tonight. So let's check this out. Alright, so check this out. This is really expensive for Jeff City. I mean, the basic wash, double wash, ultimate, those aren't too far off, but the extreme wash for $14 is pretty high. But naturally, since we're shooting the video, we are going to go for it. Let's see if it's worth the money.
Would you like to add any of these additional services?
You gotta be kidding me. I think we'll just go ahead and go with the base.
Thank you for your purchase.
Oh, oops. I do want the receipt.
Please collect your receipt.
Alright, and you can see, experience the Typhoon automatic wash system. See, we had that going over there, and also some more information here. It looks like they charge an extra $2 when the attendant is here, if you want these services with the attendant. I guess there's no type of underspray or anything as you come in, which is interesting. Alright. I keep thinking it's going to tell me to stop. How far forward am I supposed to go? Really? More? That feels like it's way too far forward, but okay. So, very interesting. Lots and lots of moving parts, of course. So we're going across the front, and down the sides, and across the back, all at the same time here. You see we had the pre-soak light. This came on next to us here. So many moving parts, I'm like, what's even happening? Alright, there's our rocker panel blasters. Blaster status light is on. Now I guess we're doing high pressure in the front, and the sides, and the top, and the back all at once. Oh, look at this. Very nice coverage. Okay, now we have the Rain-X light on. And now we have the spot-free rinse. And I'm guessing that's probably it. And there's no dryers in here or out there. Okay, so upsides, what I could just see looking from here. First off, I'll just get a quick glance at the rest of the car wash here. And it's a little tough through the rainy window, but you can see they've got a couple manual bays out here. It looks like older architecture. Got the vacuums down here, and that's pretty much it. So the downsides I'm seeing here, $14 seems like a bit of a stretch, especially given that it doesn't even have dryers. Not saying that's so much of a deal breaker, of course, because the spot-free rinse was very complete, but still, I think it's a bit overpriced. Seemed like a very nice system, though. I mean, definitely the best job I've seen an Oasis system do by far. So, maybe worth checking out for some of the cheaper wash packages here in Jeff City, Missouri. Anyway, that's all I've got. I guess we'll end this video with a little view downtown here. Thank you so much, as always, for watching, and that is it.